guys, it's Kyle with Aero Equipment here. Just gonna show you guys how the Cobra 6800 hydraulic crane works. We've got this one set up on our 11-foot aluminum service body. So in the rear driver's side cabinet, we got it set up with all your auxiliary battery, and then your master switch is here. Then we hit the switch there to turn on the hydraulics to the crane, because this is switched between the outriggers and the crane. Then we have the wireless remote here. And then it's got a pistol grip, so you can feather the crane with it as well. With a hydraulic crane, it's extremely smooth compared to the electric over hydraulic. And this guy gives you 21 foot of reach. At full extension, you got about 1,900 pounds of capacity at full extension, so it's a good sized crane. So that there is the Cobra 6800 crane. Thanks for watching.